Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of reviving beauty, turning discarded materials into stunning home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, the concept of transforming discarded materials into stunning home decor offers a unique opportunity for creativity and entrepreneurship. Reviving beauty through the upcycling of materials not only minimizes waste, but also allows individuals to craft distinctive pieces that reflect personal style and values. This approach not only enhances living spaces, but also creates avenues for financial gain. By embracing the art of repurposing, artisans can turn what is often deemed as trash into sought-after treasures that enhance home aesthetics and tell compelling stories. The journey of transforming discarded materials into attractive home decor begins with recognizing the potential in what many overlook. Items like wooden pallets, glass jars, and old fabrics can be found in various places, from thrift stores to one's own garage. Each piece carries a history, and understanding its origin can spark inspiration for new designs. The key lies in envisioning the possibilities that discarded materials hold, transcending their initial purpose to create something entirely new. For many, a significant aspect of this transformation involves color. A fresh coat of paint can breathe life into a faded item, completely altering its perception. With the right hue, even the most mundane piece can take on a vibrant character. Choosing colors that reflect current home decor trends allows artisans to create pieces that resonate with modern sensibilities. Neutral tones can add sophistication, while bold and vibrant shades can inject energy into a space, helping to create focal points that draw the eye. Texture also plays a crucial role in reviving discarded materials. The tactile qualities of various surfaces can evoke emotions and enhance the overall aesthetic. Combining different textures can create depth and interest, adding layers to home decor. For example, mixing rough wood with smooth glass can create a striking contrast that elevates both elements. Textural variations not only enhance visual appeal, but can also create a more inviting atmosphere, making spaces feel warm and welcoming. Emphasizing functionality is another pivotal aspect of transforming materials into beautiful decor. Reimagining the use of discarded items often leads to innovative solutions that meet contemporary needs. For instance, an old ladder can be transformed into a stylish bookshelf, bringing both a rustic charm and practical storage to a room. The ability to create multifunctional pieces that save space while offering visual interest is highly desirable in modern homes, making these creations more marketable. The concept of storytelling is inherently woven into the fabric of upcycled decor. Every piece has its history, and sharing those narratives can deepen the connection between the artisan, the creation, and the buyer. When potential customers understand where an item came from and how it was transformed, they develop a more profound appreciation for its uniqueness. This storytelling aspect becomes a powerful selling point, allowing artisans to connect emotionally with their clientele, which is increasingly important for those seeking authenticity in their purchases. Crafting beautiful pieces is not merely a technical undertaking, it's an exploration of personal creativity. Each project offers an opportunity for self-expression, as artisans can infuse their individual style into the designs. By thinking outside the box and experimenting with different methods and materials, they can create unique items that stand out in the crowded marketplace. This personal touch not only enhances the appeal of each piece, but also reinforces the artisan's brand identity, making their work memorable. As artisans create pieces, the incorporation of nature can enhance the aesthetic and emotional appeal of the decor. Integrating natural elements such as plants or organic materials can create a serene environment that resonates with many consumers. For example, turning reclaimed wood into a planter or using glass jars for terrariums can connect the indoors with nature, fostering a calming atmosphere. This biophilic design approach aligns well with current trends, as people increasingly seek to bring the outdoors inside their homes. Marketing transformed items effectively is essential for turning creative endeavors into profitable ventures. High-quality photography plays a significant role in this process. Professional images showcasing the details, colors, and textures of each piece can captivate potential buyers' attention. Displaying items in well-styled settings allows consumers to visualize them in their own spaces, enhancing the appeal of the product. Additionally, incorporating lifestyle shots that depict the items in daily use can provide context and inspire buyers to see the potential for these pieces in their homes. Telling the story behind each piece during marketing campaigns adds another layer of connection. Artisans can share the journey of transformation, explaining the materials used and the techniques applied. By providing insights into the creative process, they enrich the customer's understanding and appreciation of the final product. Such transparency fosters trust and authenticity, both of which are crucial in building lasting relationships with consumers. This mutual support can bolster local economies while highlighting the importance of sustainable practices. Staying informed about home decor trends and consumer interests is crucial for artisans. Understanding the current market landscape allows for strategic decisions when it comes to design and materials. Regularly researching trends, attending design shows, and engaging with industry influencers can help artisans remain competitive. By keeping a pulse on what consumers are looking for, artisans can tailor their creations to align with contemporary preferences, enhancing their marketability. As the focus on sustainability grows, the appeal of transforming discarded materials into beautiful home decor resonates with many consumers. People are increasingly drawn to products that offer environmental benefits and showcase handcrafted artistry. Artisans can capitalize on this trend by emphasizing eco-friendly practices throughout the creation process. Using environmentally friendly paints, finishes, and packaging not only appeals to the eco-conscious market, but also reinforces the artisan's commitment to sustainability. Finally, the journey of transforming discarded materials is immensely satisfying. The act of breathing new life into what would otherwise be waste fosters a sense of accomplishment and pride. Each finished piece stands as a testament to creativity, innovation, and resilience. The ability to create beautiful, functional items from discarded materials encourages a mindset of resourcefulness and sustainability, which is crucial for a healthier planet. In sum, reviving beauty through the transformation of discarded materials into stunning home decor is a fulfilling and profitable endeavor. It offers a unique opportunity to blend artistry with environmental consciousness while providing the potential for financial growth. By recognizing the untapped potential in discarded items, adding personal touches through color, texture, and storytelling, and effectively marketing creations, artisans can forge successful paths in a marketplace that increasingly values authenticity and sustainability. This journey not only enhances living spaces, but also contributes to a more conscientious way of living, where beauty is found in the heart of what was once considered waste. Through dedication and creativity, artisans can inspire others, proving that discarded materials can indeed become cherished elements of modern decor. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked reviving beauty, turning discarded materials into stunning home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.